Today we are gonna be doing our hair. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Justina Alyssa, and if you are new here, welcome. Subscribe. And if you are into like keeping your hair healthy and trying to help it grow, then you should subscribe because I upload a new hair video every single Friday. And today we are going to be doing a castor oil for hair growth. So my hair is actually pretty long. It's curly, but when it's straightened, it's very, very long. So today we're gonna go over an oil that we're gonna make on how to keep our hair healthy and long. And we are also gonna go over the things to avoid so that we do not irritate our scalp. So a little background on castor oil. Castor oil increases blood flow to our scalp, which promotes healthier hair. And apply castor oil at least once a month, which I try to do. It's very hard, but at least once a month. It can boost your hair growth for 5 times more than the normal speed. It can also dry your irritated scalp. So like right now, I actually have some dandruff, so that's why I really need this hair oil. But castor oil can reduce dandruff because it has antibacterial and antifungal properties. So we are gonna go over a couple of steps before we start putting our castor oil in our hair. I wanna show you how I make my oil. It's very simple, but really quick, let me show you a before and after picture on how my hair is. So my hair is pretty long right now. It's actually, if I pull it down, it's past my boob. And it's actually very healthy, and I'm very due for a haircut, but it's like I kind of don't need one because I've been keeping my hair extremely healthy and together. So let's get our hair together. So back to the castor oil. Now watch and see how I create my hair oil. Okay, so here are items that we are going to be using. We have the castor oil. This one I got from the Heritage store. Very good bottle, and it's in glass. We also have virgin coconut oil. This one is unrefined and organic. It's also in a glass jar. Now we have this amber drop bottle. I like these because you can apply this to your scalp. So these are really good. These are the droppers, they call them the tincture bottles also. We have a funnel. Definitely need that. And we have this other transferring oil thing. I'm not sure the name. I will look it up and put the name in the description. But this is very helpful, especially for castor oil, just because of how thick it is. Usually it doesn't go through the funnel very easily. So I will show you how I use this. And lastly, I have this little silicone side. It's like a scoop. This is usually made for face mask. I got this on Amazon. But since my coconut oil is solid pretty much, I didn't melt it because I don't like to continually melt it. So I just take a scoop of it and put it in this bottle, and then I'll shake it up or put it under hot water. That way that the oil can melt. It melts very easily. But okay, so first thing that we are going to do is we are going to dilute this castor oil. A way to dilute the castor oil is by 50% by mixing it with another oil. So you can use olive oil, you can use sunflower oil, or you can use coconut oil, any kind of other oil that's good for your hair. So first thing that I'm gonna do is open my jar, and I'm going to use this tool. I do not know the name, but I will get you the name. And we are going to open our castor oil. So all you have to do is squeeze the air out, bring it in. We will slowly start to see the oil going up. So you can see now that it has begun to fill. Next thing I'm going to do is get my tincture bottle, and I will squeeze it in. And I will do this about 3 more times. I have a good amount of oil in here. Now we're gonna move on to the coconut oil. So this oil, what we are going to do with this is we will have to use this. Scoop some oil up. And fill it in this jar. So you can just apply it like this. FYI, so the coconut oil was a little bit messier than I thought. I usually melt it, but it's just a hassle. I would definitely recommend heating up the coconut oil or just at least softening it and pushing it inside of the bottle, because once you shake it, it'll mix in and melt together with any other oil that you put it with. Okay, so now that you saw how I make my oil, now the next step that we are going to do is apply all of the drops to our scalp. So here we have our oil, and now let's begin. So massage your scalp for several seconds to help work the oil into your skin and your hair follicles. You can also put the oil through your strands to help condition your hair. Okay, so for any other leftover oil that you have, you can just apply it to the rest of your hair. Just spread it everywhere and continue to massage your scalp. So as you can see, the front of my hair is pretty much very dead. I need to find out what else I can do to fix this part of my hair, because it's like so bad. Even when I put conditioner and I have my hair tied up down to the side like this part is always still like dry no matter what I put on it. Can you please comment and let me know something to try to like help maintain this hair in the front, because it is so bad, and it is literally just the front of my hair. Pretty much spread the oil all over. So now we can tie up our hair. I'm gonna put it in a bun for about 25 to 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash it out. If you have a shower cap, just put a shower cap on and then just let the oils soak and absorb into your scalp. Okay, so when you wash your hair, I recommend to double shampoo because you are gonna need to. Castor oil is very thick and coconut oil is very oily. They are both oily. So just double cleanse because you're gonna need to. Make sure that you get all of the oils out of your scalp and make sure that you have a fresh, clean scalp for moisturizing it. So one tip that I wanna give you about what to avoid when using castor oil. So the reason why we dilute the castor oil is because of how thick castor oil is. It is so thick that it can clog your pores. And so applying too much castor oil to your scalp can clog your pores and redo the hair growth. So I recommend not doing it. Another thing I wanted to share was do not keep the castor oil in your hair for more than 6 hours because it can irritate your scalp. Same reason why I just gave you that previous example. We do not want to reduce our hair growth. We are trying to make our hair flourish and grow and be nice and long, right? Another few things castor oil is good for is your eyelashes. So if you have like a little eyelash brush, dip that in some castor oil and every night just apply it to your eyelashes. But don't put too much, you don't want to get that in your eye. Another thing you can do is you can moisturize your face with castor oil. So you put castor oil on your face, wash it off, and then just let it dry. It's so thick that it literally is just can cleanse and moisturize at the same time and you just wash it off. So if you did like this video, please subscribe. I would love to interact with you. Comment, let me know if I should try any other oils or if I should try anything else. This is my first video doing a hair oil, so I'm hoping that it came out good. So if you liked more hair videos, let me know and there will be more every single Friday. So thank you for watching, guys.